Hi, this is Sean, and today I'll be showing you how to install Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio, as well as other software that you'll use for Angel 1100. For UQ students, you'll be installing this software from a website called Dreamspark. This has a unique installation process which I'll be covering today. So firstly, you need to log into Dreamspark, which can be found under Announcements, Download link for Microsoft Project. Copy and paste this link you see here into your web browser. After going there, you will end up on a login page. You'll need to log in using your UQ username and password to gain access. After logging in, you will see a page that looks something like this. If you know the product you want, you can search it here in the search box. Otherwise, you can click one of the categories and find the program that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate installing Microsoft Project, which is found here. If I go in, I can see Microsoft Project listed here, some information, and that it's free. So I can order one of these. Keep in mind you can only download these programs once. So you can click Add to Cart to add the item to cart. In this case, I cannot add to cart as I've already downloaded this program. But for you, you can now go to Shopping Cart, click on Shopping Cart, and you will see Microsoft Project here, and you can check out your item. When you're checking out, it'll ask you for some personal information, enter your UQ details, and you should be able to check out just fine. After you have purchased your free item, what you'll get is an email sent to your UQ email address that you bought the item with. So in this case, because of privacy, I've taken a screenshot and blanked out some details. What you will get in an email is something that looks like this. In the following email, you can see a download link posted right here. Click on that link to take you to the download page. When you click on this link, it will take you to the following page that looks like this. From this page, you can see the items that you purchased. What's important here is to keep in mind your product key right here. It might be a good idea right now to copy and paste this to a text document or a Word document so you don't lose it later. You need this product key to install the program. Now what you need to do is click Start Download. When you click Start Download, you will be taken to the following page here, titled Get Your Software in 4 Easy Steps. What you'll need to do is download the SDM file and also the SDX file. These two files I've already downloaded and they're on my desktop, so I'm going to show you these two files now. Here I've got my SDM file, and on the right I've got my SDX file. You'll need to install the SDM file first by double clicking on it, following the instructions and installing the program fully. After the program is installed, you'll need to double click on the SDX file, which will take you to an installation page. So in this case, I'm going to do that as an example. I'm going to show you an example here. So I've double clicked on my SDX file, and it'll open up the download manager. It will show you where your download is going to download to and what you're downloading. It's important to keep note of where you're downloading your item to, so you can find it later when you want to install it. In this case, I'm downloading it to my download folder. You can change this at your free will. So here you will see your item. For you, there will be a download button here. As I've already downloaded my program, it says launch, but for you, this will say download. The file size is about 600 megabytes, so I recommend not doing this over wireless. After you have downloaded the file, what you'll need to do is to go find that file in your download location. In this case, I've downloaded it to my downloads folder, which is right here. And as I can see, I've downloaded Project Professional 2013. Double click on this folder, I can go inside and see the file I've downloaded. You'll notice this file is a .iso type file. To open this file or run this file, there are two ways. One, you can unextract it, or two, you can burn it to a CD and run it. The easier way, which doesn't require a CD, is to just unzip it. A program that can do this, that's free of charge and very good, I recommend is using 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a freeware program. You can be found just by Googling 7-Zip. When you get to their website, download either the 62-bit Windows version or the 64-bit Windows version, depending on which version of Windows you're using. If you're unsure, just download the 32-bit. After you download the 7-Zip, install the program as you normally do. Go back to where your file was, in this case, my Microsoft Project. You can now right-click on it. You'll have 7-Zip listed here. Go to 7-Zip, click Extract Files. choose where you want to extract the files to by clicking on the dot dot dot. You can choose where you want to extract the files to. In this case, I've already extracted my files to my documents, so I'm going to go straight there. What you'll need to do is choose a location, click OK, and click OK again to extract the entire file. After you've extracted the file, go and find that file. So in this case, I've extracted my file to my documents, which is located here. I can see my Microsoft Project 2013 install. So I'm going to go in here, open it up, and I can see there's a setup.exe file. You need to double click on this setup.exe file to run it. Enter your product key that I told you to write down before, hit next a few times, and it will install. Just follow the instructions. The rest is quite simple. If you've successfully installed the program, you should be able to find it in your Start menu. In this case, I've installed Project 2013. So I can run that, and the program should run fine. It might ask you for the product key again. If it does, copy and paste the product key in, and it should verify. And that's all there is to it.